Welcome to all of you here. We are here to tell you that we are celebrating this year the 42nd year anniversary of National Association for the Blind, our Goa state branch. And we are having a special function that day for the alumni of this association. For last 42 years who have been with us, and they have been employed or self-employed. We want to showcase them here to tell the whole world who are going to be present there and otherwise through your press that the blind can do everything what the sighted person can do, and they are doing well. Technology has changed. We have not stayed with Braille, and Braille is not anymore so important, but we have other technology which
We are celebrating our 42nd anniversary, and the theme of this anniversary is vision beyond sight. So the person who has studied here from last 42nd years, and they are with us now. Actually, all of them have achieved great height in their success, though it is in government sector or private sector in self-employed also. And today we are proud to say that some of our alumni, they have achieved a great post also, like assistant, professor, advocate, and also we have our secretary for state commission, he is also our alumni. So at the same time, there are some our students working in the private sector and self-employed, as I said. So the special function of this 42nd anniversary and alumni meet is to showcase the people that still after working since 1983 till now, some people say that you are visually impaired, you can't do anything. So that day, we will tell you all that though we are visually impaired, then also we can do a lot of things. So all the people who are listening to us now and who are still thinking that I am blind, what I can do. So when the person at home they think that I am the only one visually impaired and whole world is sighted. So for them actually this is a message. That person that day can come here and they can see more than 150 to 200 people with their families. They will come here and all have did their best in their life with the support of National Association for the Blind. Actually, this is the only one NGO working in this Goa which looks after inclusive education. So inclusive education is what? The student whoever come here, we are sending them to the regular school so that they can enjoy the student society. At the same time, the student who are non-disabled, they will also come to know that there are persons with visually impaired in this society. So how to guide them? Also they will come to know that what they are facing, the difficulties, and they are actually helping them. And this goes till the 12th standard, then graduation. Our student goes to Santa Cruz School, Dhempe College, even Goa University. So some of our students, being 100% visually impaired, they have completed their master degrees, advocate, they are doing their jobs as an advocate, professor, and they are doing their best. So that day, at the same time, earlier actually when they have started, I proud of this my committee. I am the actually person with low vision. I was the student here. I know what they are doing, and from that I come to know this type of thing they are doing, and they have served lot of visually impaired from this state, from every talukas of this Goa, from Kanpur to Valpoi, Penam to Margam, from all the talukas we have the student here.